I'll show you the official method to track any Western Union money transfer in under 60 seconds using the real-time status portal. I'll also show you a secret workaround to find your money if you completely lost your tracking number. If you're ready, hit that like button. Let's get into the fix. When you send money across borders, seeing a processing a delay without knowing why is incredibly stressful. Both you and your recipient need to know exactly where that cash is in the pipeline so it doesn't get lost or stuck. The absolute fastest way to track your transfer is by using the MTCN, which stands for Money Transfer Control Number. This is a unique 10-digit code generated for every single transaction. If you sent money online or via the app, you'll find it pinned at the top of your confirmation email or under the History tab. If you sent cash in person through an agent, it's printed right at the top of your paper receipt. To begin, go to the official tracking page at westernunion.com/track-transfer or open the mobile app and tap Track a Transfer. Toggle the button to select whether you are the sender or the receiver. Input the 10-digit MTCN and the sender's last name exactly as spelt on the receipt. Click Track It to pull up the live tracking bar. Once the tracking bar loads, you will see one of 4 official status updates. Here is exactly what they mean. In progress sent for deposit, the back-end network is verifying the transaction or routing it through standard bank clearing. In available for pickup, the cash is cleared and waiting. The recipient can walk into any local Western Union agent counter right now with their ID and the MTCN to claim the money. In paid delivered, the transaction is closed. The cash was either picked up or has successfully settled into the receiver's bank account. On hold for review, this is the most critical flag. It means Western Union's compliance algorithm has temporarily frozen the transfer, usually due to missing verification documents, name mismatches, or security checks. If you see this, check your email immediately to upload the requested details, or the transfer will automatically cancel. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.